folks, the problem with over the fridge cabinets is that they're so deep you end up taking everything from in front to get at what's in back. With our over the fridge pullouts, you just pull that drawer out and you're able to get at what's in back real easily. If you're short like me, you may still have to get onto a ladder to reach everything. But instead of pulling everything out that's in front, you just step on the ladder, reach what's in back, shut the drawer. Putting it back is just as easy. Pull the drawer out, step on the ladder, put it back in, and shut the drawer.